In this video, I'm going to explain some exciting new features we've added to Filly Edu. So, right now, one of those features is the ability to auto-generate terminal grades. So I'm logged in as a teacher here, and when you log in as a teacher for any given term, like I chose term one, JSS1, but you can add different classes and terms, and then the specific report. So obviously, um, there's another section here. There's a section where the admin creates reports. So for example, from the admin dashboard, which is here, under reports and analytics, I can create reports and terms from there. So once the admin has created reports and terms, the teacher will be able to select the term, the class, and the report that the admin has created. And then for any given class that a teacher has been assigned, they can auto-populate scores from assessments. So the teacher can create assessments. I gave a demo of that in a previous video. So the assessments area here is where you can add an assignment, and it could be homework or classwork. And we also have exams that you could set up for the students to take. So the exams and quizzes that the students take in the system will then be the scores from these exams and quizzes will be aggregated um, in the terminal grades to produce a terminal report. So for term one, any quizzes and exams that have been assigned, I just select that and I select this. And then here, I will be able to populate the scores for each student in SSS1, for example. So I can enter their exam score, any test score, the total, and then these will update. So for any given subject that has been added to the system, you can manually enter the information, or you can auto-populate from assessment. Since they haven't taken any assessments in this system, you would have to manually enter their grades. But if they take any assessments, like exam, quiz, homework, classwork, using our system, if you click auto-populate from assessments, it will transfer all grades or test scores from the assessments into the students' exam and test scores and grades. So it would aggregate these, and then once it's been aggregated on the teacher's end, both the admin, the parents, the students, uh, and the teachers will see the final results. So, for example, if I come here to report and analytics, I can view reports and I can create reports, but I'm interested in viewing reports. So for this term, I can look at the students whose reports have been created, and then I can click view report card. So the information that the teachers enter go into building this report card, and we can customize it with the school's logo and brand colors for you if you sign up. And so this report, once we create a custom report for any given school, the parents will be able to download the report when they log in as a parent in the parents dashboard, and the students will also be able to see their report. So no more manual report generation and mailing reports, even though you can print and mail these. They are accessible. You can download it as a PDF or you can print it. They are accessible here. So this is the admin dashboard. So if I were to log in as a parent, um, you'll see what the parents see. But the point is that we've made the report generation process seamless, and even like uh, uploading resources, assigning quizzes, exams to students, all of that is built into this. So you can use this as a comprehensive school management system for all aspects of your school. You can view performance analytics. I'll show that in a moment, but let me try to log in as a parent. My point was that once you log in as a parent, so we have You can log in as an admin, teacher, student, parent, even alumni. We have a library module where the librarian can log in. So let me log in as a parent here using the parent test credentials, this one. And so if I come here and I try to log in as a parent, and I think this is that, and then log in. So the parent will be able to see any reports associated with their student. So if they come in here, they can view various metrics about their student. If their student has any performance information, they'll see that here. Okay, so there's also a performance module where the parents can see for any given student that is associated with that parent, their overall score, term summary, progress trend, strengths, areas to support, recommendations, recent activity. They can download this report, view an improvement plan. So all of this is AI generated because we have a built-in AI system that analyzes results and trends in the system and provides feedback uh, to help parents assist their students improve their performance over time. You can download this as a PDF. So once you download this, you'll see a PDF summary. It's still downloading. You can message your teachers. The parent can message the awards teachers to um, ask questions or ask for clarification. So yeah, we've done a lot of exciting things. This is the teacher. So yeah, in addition to populating grades, the teacher also now has performance insights into their students' performance, and also the admin can see performance insights about each teacher. So this is my network slowing down, but there it is. It takes a while to load. Sometimes my network is slow. So yeah, when the teacher comes here, they can see some performance insights, like number of students average, class average, lesson coverage, and things like that. And so there's a whole lot of insights that they get into uh, their students' performance and their own performance. And so you can see AI has provided some priority actions, root cause analysis, uh, and things like that. And risk students are listed here so that they can either target helping them, and there's a reason. Risk factors, low attendance, incomplete homework. You can view the student in detail. Okay, so yeah, we have a whole lot of tools to help teachers, students, and parents manage and improve performance over time. And yeah, the other thing that I wanted to show was in the teachers dashboard, we've added something here. We've added, actually it's in the admin, the what else wanted to show was in the admin. Okay, so this is one sample report that I downloaded. But my point was in the admin dashboard, we have data onboarding. So if your school already has some data, we have some templates that you can download. And then once you put your data into that template, you can easily click here to upload files to transfer your data from your existing system into Filly Edu. So you can populate your list of students. There's a student template that if you download in CSV format, then you can put your list of students in there and then just click here to upload that spreadsheet. So student template.csv opens. Once it opens, you can make sure that your students are uploaded to the CSV file in that format. And if you have an existing file that has the information, we can easily help you transfer that into this template format. We have some scripts that we write that can map existing CSVs to this format. and then you just upload it. And then so you can do the same thing for your staff. You can transfer staff, classes, subjects. Each of these has a template that you can download. And once you download the template, you can upload the information from there into our system. So any other data that you want to add, you can just let us know. We can add custom import options for different types of data that your school uses that you need to transfer to our system. So that's the latest update. We're still doing a lot of things. Oh, there's one more thing that I think might be of interest that I forgot to mention. So in the admin, you can see here we have a library module. So if your school has a library, we have a full system for tracking who has borrowed books, who needs to return, who are the members, various reports for library management, and you can log in as a librarian. So if your school has a librarian, they can log in to manage the library system. So that's one other thing that's new. And actually, let me see, there's one more. Yeah, and then from the admin, there's one more thing. This is the teacher, the admin is over here. From the admin, there's one more thing I wanted to point out. Yeah, we have alumni login as well. So the admin can add alumni to the system, and then the alumni can log in as an alumni from. So let me go here and do a quick login for the alumni just to show you. So the alumni can pay any fees associated with any alumni organization. They can make donations to the school, which I think just they can find old friends who are in the system. So let me just log in because seeing is believing. You'll get a better idea of it when you actually see what the alumni portal is. But it's a comprehensive portal for people to stay in touch with the school and get involved. They can find out about events and any new developments that are ongoing. And so just give me a minute to log in here as an alumni. My browser seems to be frozen here. But once I log in, you'll see, maybe I should use this at a dashboard here because I have a lot of pages open. So let me log in from here rather. I have a lot of pages open, so it's my Chrome has gotten slow, but I think I can log in via Firefox. We just show you. So again, this report we can customize for any given school we onboard, and we onboard schools individually. We can create your own branded version of the report. So like I said, I can log in here as an alumni or librarian. So I'm going to log in as an alumni. And when I log in as an alumni, I'll show you the alumni. Okay, so copy this alumni password. We just have some test users. And that. Okay, and then that. And then if I click login here, okay, you can see. So when I log in as an alumni, this is what I see. You can see the network, number of people in the network, any events, their GPA, upcoming events, quick actions. They can view academic records, view alumni directory, update their profile. So if I go here, so yeah, this is just test data that we've populated, but you can imagine if the student was actually an alumni and they have records, you'll be able to view their records here. They can view any event calendar, they can view the alumni directory, any people that they know they can connect with, and then they can chat with them. And so, yeah, school news, and then they can make payments. So for example, if they have any bills, they can pay them. They'll show, if they have any bills, they'll show up here. But it doesn't have to be bills, it can be donations to the school that they make. And so yeah, we can customize it with your school's unique settings so that yeah, so that if a student alumni wants to make a donation to the school, um, they can go through this portal. We just add your school's payment details, set it up so that they'll see a payment option to make a donation or contribution to school, and the money will come to your school's account once we set it up properly for you. So, yeah, those are exciting new additions that I think will contribute to enhancing the experience for both students and alumni and admins, teachers, and parents. So yeah, we continue to enhance it. We're going to add our next goal is to add content for learning and preparing for national exams. So stay tuned for uh those updates as we add those features. Hope you enjoyed this video.